Alright, good. Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to do a long division problem using the area model. So we're going to start with just a 3 by 1 and then we'll do a 4 by 1 example. So let's start with a problem. Let's do 327 divided by 4. And I always tell the kids, start with writing your benchmarks. And benchmarks are basically numbers that are easy to work with. So we use 2, 5, 10, 20, 50, and 100. Those are some good benchmarks because they're easy to multiply. So then we make a rectangle just like we did with multiplication, but instead of putting numbers inside of it or around it, we're going to actually put our dividend inside. So our divisor is 4 and our dividend is 327. So then we start by going across our benchmarks and we say 4 can go into 327. Let's start. 4 times 2 is 8. Well, 8's pretty far off from 327. So let's get higher. So then let's go. 4 times 5 is 20. I think we can get higher. 4 times 10 is 40. Let's keep going. 4 times 20 is 80. We can still go higher. 4 times 50 is 200. Let's stop there. 200 is pretty close. So let's do 4 times 50. Let's get rid of that 200. We subtract. We have 127 left. So let's bring that over. And now let's go through the problem again. 4 times 2 is 8. We can go higher. 4 times 5 is 20. We can still go higher. 4 times 10 is 40. And then 4 times 20, that's 80. That's pretty close. If we were to go 4 times 50, we said that's 200, and that's too much. So let's go back down to 20. 4 times 20 is 80. And now once the kids get better, they're going to realize that there's more numbers in between 20 and 50 that they can try. But just to keep it easy in the beginning, we just kind of stick with some pretty simple benchmarks. So go ahead and subtract. We still have 47, so we still need to keep going. So we can go through again. We know what 4 times 10 is 40. Let me back that up. Hold on. That leaves us 7. We bring 7 over. My box should be a little bit bigger. 4 goes into 7 one time. 3. And I always tell the kids, when we get to where our answer is less than our dividend, then that's when we stop. So 3 is less than 4, so then we need to add these numbers up here. So 20 is 70, plus 10 is 80, so we have 81 with a remainder of 3. So that's a 3 by 1 problem using the area model. We're going to do one more just so that way no one's confused and that way we have plenty of examples to use at home. All right, let's try another one. So let's do the problem